And it goes a little something like
Hi guys, it's Selina and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new here, hello, welcome. So for today's video guys, as you can see, wala po ako sa bahay ngayon kasi naka-check-in po kami sa Forest Lodge. Ayan, actually this is one of the most go-to hotels here in Baguio City. Like, most recommended siya guys kasi hindi lang yung room yung binabayaran nyo, but it also yung ambience and everything. Here in Forest Lodge, mafe-feel nyo yung presence na nasa Baguio ka, especially if you're a tourist. But I am not a tourist, guys. Nagka-check-in lang kami dito sa Forest Lodge. And guys, para naman masulit yung check-in namin dito, yung stay namin dito, is magla-vlog na lang din ako. And for today's vlog nga po is magdi-DIY photoshoot ako using the newest edition of REALME. This is their REALME 8 Pro. Pakita ko sa inyo, guys. Actually, charge ko pa lang siya. Kasi kahapon pa to naka-on. Kahapon ko pa siya ginagamit, pero ngayon lang siya na-deadbat. Before we start, guys, I'm just going to do a quick room tour para makita niyo, guys, itong room ng Forest Lodge kasi it is really nice. Vanity mirror. Dito kasi yung mag-prepare. And meron din silang hair dryer, guys. Tapos, meron din po sila dito yung malaki nilang cabinet. Diyan yung mga stuff ko. Since I'm going to do a DIY photoshoot, nagdala din ako ng DIY lighting ko. Ito lang. So, ayan guys, sobrang laki din ng kanilang window. They also have a free hygiene kit. Meron silang alcohol at saka face mask. And the TV. And guys, pinasok ko muna yung phone dito sa box para gagawa ko ng unboxing video. Para rin guys makita nyo kung ano yung nilalaman ng ating REALME 8 Pro package. Ayan po. So, ito na nga yung REALME 8 Pro nila. And as you can see guys, yung packaging, super nice. I really like the color yellow. Tapos at the back, you will see the specifications of the phone. So, the REALME 8 Pro has a 108 megapixel ultra quad camera. Super light and slim siya. Snapdragon 720G processor, 50-watt super dart charge, 6.4 Super AMOLED full screen siya. Also have the capacity of 4500, which is a massive battery. So guys, ayan. Meron siyang slow-mo effect. And makikita nyo is itong nakalagay na, "Hey, welcome to REALME family." Ayan. So, let's embrace a new journey. Kapag inopen nyo, makikita nyo yung pin ejector niya. And also, a manual, which is yung kanyang important information guide. And also, a quick guide. And a free jelly case. And we have yung phone mismo. Later muna to. Pakita ka muna yung iba. Ayan. So, ito yung kanilang super dart na adapter. Mabigat siya guys ha, mabigat. USB Type-C cable nila. Ayan. And the phone. Na-excite pa rin ako kapag binubuksan siya guys. Kasi super ganda, super stylish, very unique. And as you can see, meron siyang Dare to Lip na print. Ayan. Guys, yung texture pala nitong casing nila, it's a plastic pero textured. Pero okay na rin yung plastic kesa sa mga babasagin. Mas mabilis masira yun. Ayan. And yung print niyang Dare to Lip is a glossy type naman of material. Really nice. Ang ganda lang. Ayan no. As you can see, super slick siya. Super slim and very light. So, it's really perfect for gaming. Tapos guys, of course, the most important part, and ayun yung i-feature natin for this vlog, is the camera. Kasi guys, meron siyang 108 megapixel na setting for the camera. Ayan, no? Super dami niyang features, guys. Ito yung first time kong makakita ng ganong camera. So, guys, let's just start with a DIY photoshoot kasi sobrang na-excite na ako na masubukan yung 108 megapixel nila. And guys, bago pa ako magsimula, disclaimer lang, I'm not a professional photographer. Okay, feeling lang ako, mahilig lang talaga ako mag-take ng pictures. And also guys, gusto ko talaga masubukan and ma-experience yung 108 megapixel of the REALME 8 Pro. So, yes, let's just start. Super nice ng quality. Kuhang-kuha niya. And guys, yung color, parang lalong mas nabuhay yung kulay dito sa picture. Ang ganda. Kikita niyo ba? And guys, nagdala din pala ako ng product na pipicturean ko for this shoot. Kasi this product is really nice. By the way, this is from Little Mix and Match. Shoutout to Little Mix and Match, guys. Super nice ng perfumes nila. So guys, nag-change outfit muna ako. Ayan, para dress naman. Ang ganda nung sa chimney nila, oh. So, pipicturean ko siya gamit yung REALME 8 Pro. Hi guys! Nandito na po tayo magtatapos. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video and sana po nakita nyo yung quality mismo ng 108 megapixel of this REALME 8 Pro. So, another glance of their Dare to Leap. Ayan guys. Kasi kapag tinitignan mo yung mismong phone, yung case niya at the back, talagang nakakakuha ng attention. Kasi parang ang premium ng feels, parang kapag hawak-hawak mo, parang siyang mamahalin. But this is only less than 20,000 pesos, guys. So, meron ka ng 108 megapixels and marami pang features tong camera nila. So, guys, ayan po yung design. I have the infinite blue. Ito po. Ang ganda lang talaga. Tapos sobrang gaan. So, hindi ako nahihirapan nung nag-take ako ng mga photos. And nakita nyo naman yung quality nitong 108 megapixel of this REALME 8 Pro. Super nice. Sobrang ganda. Nakakuha niya yung mga photos with the parang dinadagdagan niya yung vibrance, yung dinadagdagan niya yung buhay or yung color ng photos. Tapos guys, nakita nyo naman sobrang linaw niya, nakikita niya yung mga objects. And one thing more na nagustuhan ko dito sa REALME 8 Pro is that meron siyang features where you can set up yung kanyang camera. Tapos maklalagay nyo is, diba nasa 108 megapixel. Tapos pwede nyong i-click yung nasa pangalawa, which is yung AI scene enhancement, ganon. So, makikita niya kapag nasa indoor ka, pwede niyang itaas yung brightness or yung exposure, tapos siya na mag-a-adjust sa lahat. So, yun yung nagustuhan ko dito sa camera niya, guys. Tapos, nakita niyo naman, like, buhay na buhay yung mga photos na nakuha ko. Kahit na ang dilim na dito sa room, ano niya yun, na-adjust niya yung settings for the exposure and all. So, ayun lang guys, talaga yung nagustuhan ko for that 108 megapixel guys. Sobrang ganda ng quality. So, there you have it guys. I really hope that you liked this video, and if you did, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and hit that bell button beside it so that you will be updated whenever I upload new videos. See you on my next vlog again guys. Bye-bye!